Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost someone else's Instagram story. So guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to repost Instagram story, you have to be tagged in someone else's Instagram story. If you have been tagged in, you will get the notification on your Instagram direct message. So the first thing you have to do is going to our Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then this is the account who tagged me in the Instagram story. We have to tap on the account, then simply tap on add to your story right here to repost the story. Okay, just wait for a moment. All right, and if we want to repost the story, we can edit the story first. We can add tags, add sticker, or add music to our Instagram story. Then we can also adjust the ratio like this. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And after that, you just need to click on your story right here to upload the story to your Instagram account. Okay, now let's take a look at the result. We can go to our Instagram story. Okay, and this is the story that we have just reposted. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost someone else's Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.